Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get API key from in Perplexity. So log in to your profile, then when you are logged in, let's go to the bottom left corner where you see your profile icon, then click on it, select all settings in this pop-up menu. Then right here on the left side you will see API platform, so click on it, click on that. You will need to log in. Once you are logged in, you will see here what it's offered. So then you click get started. Then you will select here billing country, uh, name of the project. Then we are good to go. Also, you need to know that Perplexity requires a prepaid balance to generate a key. So yeah, as you can see, you will need text ID value. And when you put all the information in, you are now good to go here. We are now basically in API group. And yeah, here we will put some information also like that. And then on the left side here, we have API keys. Now we can search for it. So as you can see, cannot create API key with no credit. Please buy more credits. So as I mentioned, you need to basically add some credits on it. So for example, you can add $5 for a start, and then after that you will be able to generate API key. And this is pretty much everything what you need to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the